How's it going, everybody?
Hi.
Trail hunters here on a little side trip. We went. Get the camera in there. That place. Oh, every time we go to Gatlinburg, Sevierville, and all that kind of stuff, I see this place, and we were bored today. Sorry, and yeah, so we came to do it. Got my other child here. The third child is in the car back over there. She don't like to be filmed. So let's check this out. It was a spur-of-the-moment trip to Sevierville and a spur-of-the-moment decision to take a little trip high in the sky. We've always been curious to take one of these helicopter rides, as none of us had ever been on one before. So join us on our flight above Douglas Lake and see just how amazing the experience was.
Soft focus, cut to us the night we met. Started something and we're not going back, like lighting a match, and it's trying to catch like falling so fast, chemicals react. The tide is high, but we keep on moving, taking me back, and I'm never the same. I'm feeling at home when I'm calling your name. We're carrying on when it's starting to change. Like falling so fast, chemicals react. The tide is high, but we keep on moving, taking me back, and I'm never the same. I'm feeling at home when I'm calling your name. We're carrying on when it's starting to change. The tide is high, but we keep on moving, caught in a thrill, 'cause it's better than real life. Say that you will, and I'll give you my time. We can be still, and the rest of the world flies. Taking me back, and I'm never the same. I'm feeling at home when I'm calling your name. We're carrying on when it's starting to change. The tide is high, but we keep on moving. Where are we now? I'm losing grip on all that we found. Remind me how. Been searching in the dark, but here we are. Started something and we're not going back, like lighting a match, and it's trying to catch like falling so fast, chemicals react. Tide is high, taking me back, and I'm never the same. I'm feeling at home when I'm calling your name. We're carrying on when it's starting to change. Tide is high. Started something and we're not going back, like lighting a match, and it's trying to catch like falling so fast, chemicals react. Tide is high, but we keep on moving, taking me back, and I'm never the same. I'm feeling at home.
like a candle in the dark. You've been burned too many times, and at the hint of a spark, you turn yourself away from the light. But don't be afraid, my darling. The darkest of days are just before the dawn. 'Cause you have my heart, and always will. So take my hand, let go of the past, and hold on to home. Hold on to home. Like timber on the ground, worn and weathered by the years.
I didn't die!
So we survived.
I survived!
Make a sound.
That's pretty. None of us have been on a helicopter before.
I've never left the ground in my life.
She's never flown anything before. So that was crazy. It's a little pricey, but it costs, between the pictures and everything that we got, it's around $200. What we
Just bring
spent.
your phone.
Yeah, and they don't let you film up at where the helicopters take off, which is why we're down here on the street in front of their sign. And yeah, so we spent around $200. Best $200 ever.
If only we were rich.
Yeah, that'd be.
You won't die.
Yeah, or at least we didn't die. Okay, so yeah, that's our little. Hope you liked all that. Because you do get to film when you're on the helicopter. Once you're in it and flying, you can film as much as you want. When you're up there in their hangar and stuff like that, you can't. Don't know why, but you can't. Staff was awesome. Everyone was cool and friendly. Pilot was cool. Check this place out. It's worth it. And they have longer flights. You can go
You
all
have
the
to be like a millionaire.
language.
I didn't say that.
Anyways, I mean, you can take flights into the Smokies and fly over the mountains and stuff like that. But that's a lot more money. We just went over Douglas Lake, which you saw. So yeah, check it out and be back. Thanks for joining us on this little adventure. We hope you all enjoyed it. I know we certainly did. Oh, and please subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. So keep your stick on the ice, y'all. Until next time.